Hi, this is Ronnie and welcome to my channel. Today is Mini Kit Monday Challenge Group and I'm with Becky, Tracy, Dolly, Kathy, Daisy, and Shannon and with Krista and myself as guest designers. This is the last week. This month has gone by so fast and I have really enjoyed it. Um, I'm going to scrap this picture of my granddaughter. She's just playing with Legos. So it's one of those everyday moments, which is my favorite to scrap. And I've got a lot of Legos. I've had them ever since my first grandson. He really liked them. And if you look close, they're the bigger ones. I never did buy the smaller ones. Smaller ones have been in the house because they brought them with them from home, but that's only a few times. The rest of the time, I mean, even after they became teenagers, they played with them because they would be helping the younger ones learn how to create with them. And they do love playing with them. I have two of see, it's like a little table thing with a base for it. I have two of those, and there's the little pockets on each side are always full. Plus, I have a couple of buckets. So yeah, there is plenty for them to all sit down and create at the same time. I was so tickled when I seen this Lego paper in here. I have some Lego paper, but it would seem like I never had enough to do all the kids' layouts. So I would think, okay, maybe I'll run across some more someday. I did not even know it was in this collection. But yeah, it's in here and I am using it. Like I said, you all will see more Lego scrapbook pages, and I will be using the couple of other sheets that I have. The other sheets cost quite a bit. I think they must have been licensed, or something, and they are embossed. Yeah, they're really nice sheets. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I thought, are you really going to pay that for these two sheets? It's either two or three, I can't remember, but they're in an iris container just waiting on me to use. I mean, I've had them probably 10 years, but then I kept getting more and more grandkids and they kept playing and I kept taking pictures. So, yeah, I thought I'm going to go ahead and do at least one picture of each grandkid playing with the Legos. And then after that, I can still scrap them playing with the Legos, but just not have no Lego paper. Um, I'm putting foam tape behind the picture. I want it to stand out a little bit. I backed the Lego paper in black paper and the picture in black paper. And this was one of those border strips, whatever you imagine. And I thought about putting it all the way across. It went through my mind. But then I thought, well, if I back it in black too and cut the words apart, it'll look more dramatic. I wanted it to just kind of show up on my page. Uh, yeah, I like that. Whatever you imagine. And the rest of my title is going to be You Can Create. I've even sat down and played with the smaller ones. That's how my oldest grandson learned how to play with them. I'd sit there and play Legos with him. And it's not that often I get to because I usually don't have just one kid at a time. If I have more than one, they always have somebody to play with. So I don't usually end up playing since there's only two of the tables. It's a three by, no, it might be 4 by 6. It might have been because I had to cut it down. It says the power of imagination makes it infinite. And then I cut out, oh yeah, that's like a word bubble. And I thought, well, I'll go ahead and cut that out and put that on there. And then I'm going to put a little tiny cluster on the left of this. Yeah, it's tiny because I am going to, my plan was to use these little puffy cars. One of the kids had got them for me. They might have been the Dollar Tree or Walmart or something. They spent their money on me. Of course, I gave them the money, but they spent their money on me and for the scrapbooking because they wanted to see it on their scrapbooking pages. So I thought I'd use the little pink ones on here since it is a girl. But yeah, I don't think she's the one who got these for me. I think Charlie's the one who got them for me. So I will have to save a few of the pink ones for her. But yeah, I'm putting one Lego sticker on there, which is a little skinny Lego, and the two, well, a car, and I think it looks like one of those, what is it called? With the hydrogen in there that didn't go over really well way back when because they had that one to blow up. But yeah, that's what I'm going to use on there. Oh, this is my other cluster. I put that one Lego up there and then I thought, what am I going to put with it? And so I decided to use part of this frame, and I didn't want my little embellishments to get lost in the Legos. So I'm backing it in red, and then my Legos will show up a whole lot better. I Yeah, see, it looks a lot better that way, and you can see the blue Lego better now than you could before. And I'm going to add foam tape to it so it can set overlapping the picture frame and still be in my cluster. I started to use the pink one on here, but I used the red with the heart. And this star, if you see me with my scissors, it wasn't punched out good, so I was just punching it out so it looked good sitting there. um the I'm going to use yellow enamel dots in all three places, and I think, except for making my, yeah, except for making my cluster with my um Legos down there in the bottom left hand corner, I think that's it. I think I'm about done with my layout. Of course, it is going to take me a few minutes to fussy cut some Legos out of here. But yeah, I'm going down in the bottom left-hand corner because of the fact I'm going to nestle it in the bottom left-hand corner. And so I'm going to leave the one side square since it's already squared off, and just cut a little nestle list down there in the bottom. And I wanted to make a few of them three-dimensional, so I cut a few off that um, I could see on the stack that would fit in there pretty good because there was another one the same color and it looked like the same size. And yeah, I was able to put them on there and make a few that was more dimensional than other. And see the other side of that paper, that's that striped paper, the red stripe. I really like that paper, but yeah, I was excited about the Lego, so I'm going to be cutting this to pieces. Yeah, it's kind of disappointing when I like the other side so well. But I'm gonna do it. Um, I I guess I'm still cutting on them. I didn't cut enough. I'm getting something else out and cutting it. Maybe it's just one more. Maybe I am done. Um, but be sure to check out everybody else below that's in the Mini Kit Monday group, because every Monday, even though this is my last Monday, they post layouts. Well, the first Monday of the month, they show their kit, and then they post layouts made with that kit. And sometimes you'll see a bonus one here or there. Uh, this is a lightning bolt, and I think I'll put that lightning bolt on there. Make this look like a tower, with static electricity coming off of it or something. I was using my imagination. But yeah, check everybody else's link out below. There'll be lots of inspiration on their channels. I love watching their videos. And if you leave a comment below, I'll be sure to get back with you. If you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, of course, I would love to have you subscribe. Plus, everybody that's already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. But this is the last of my layout, and yeah, whatever you imagine, you can create. Because I had to work with the words I had to start with. And there's that little tiny, I should have put some cardstock behind that Lego sticker, it looks like, because it looks like it's a little bumpy there from the foam tape. But anyway, it's the end of my video, so I guess I'll stop. But thank y'all so much for watching. Have a happy, scrappy week and stay safe. Bye.